Don't do it, guys. Don't place trades based on what you see here. Please consult your own financial advisors and do your own due diligence. All right, with that said, let's go. It is a crazy day. It is Monday, September 17th, and this is a crazy graph for a crazy day. My options just went down in value, which reduced my obligations at the beginning of the day, and then it kind of petered off towards the end. I'm up about $150 today. The pre-market trading doesn't really reflect here. So, um, big news. JD is down. JD's down like 5%. I had the crazy thought of putting some more money in and selling a put against it. It's at 25.34 right now. I had a 5% drop. So I thought it would be a great idea to sell a put at 24.5 for 20 bucks and collect that premium for just 4 days. That's a good payoff. It fits my criteria. Obviously, though, it's a very volatile stock and it might continue to drop, but this kind of flat plateau gives me a little bit of hope. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. It just needs to hold 4 days over 24 and a half. And if not, I'm going to have to buy 100 shares. In other news, I sold another EXK put, I'm sorry, call against 100 shares of the 700 that I own. Now that puts a total of 400 committed shares as collateral that is going to have to trigger a sell on January 18th if the price of the stock hits $2.50. However, I'll also be buying $3,250 worth of EXK at that very moment if that event were to occur. Now, with the Apple trading, I exited out the trade today. Apple went out 2.66%, I believe. And so I had a put and exited somewhere around here. It was not the most favorable pricing. Obviously, I should have kept it. Aftermarket is down another 0.75% and would have been balling. Tomorrow, it's almost at the 215 mark for which the bought the put for. I only got $4 in the trade, unfortunately, because a lot of time passed since I bought the second put, and uh, a stock option, guys, is a degenerating, deteriorating asset, depreciating asset. Sorry, that's the word I was looking for. It's a depreciating asset, and it gets devalued over time. Um, unless conditions are met. So I wanted to get rid of it for the time being. Now I'm flying naked against Apple. We'll see. I'm back to only having a little bit of SH as a hedge, which was actually up 0.55% today because the markets were down and it's negatively correlated to the market. So that's that. Emerging markets are down. Strong dollar is causing um, mark foreign emerging market dollar denominated debt, which is rampant, to cost more to service because of the exchange rate. They earn money in their local currency, and then they have to pay their debts back in dollars because that's where they can get funding. And obviously, it will take more of their local currency to pay to service their debt in dollars. Therefore, it hurts their balance sheets. And now the stock's profitability is decreased if they were profitable to begin with, or if they're not, they're even more likely to go bankrupt. Therefore, the emerging markets are feeling the quote unquote pinch. They're feeling a pinch. You can see my fund is down 1.33%. China was down a little bit today. JD had a monstrous drop as we discussed earlier. Um, Nothing too special going on besides uh, Cameco. I'm gonna have to purchase some shares at the end of the week if the price stays below $10, which I anticipate. URA, the uranium fund, is going to hopefully stay above $12, which will return my 2,400 collateral committed to it. I've got $6 left of value to squeeze out. I'm not going to buy back the contract which would close out my position for those $6 because I am greedy and I want those $6. And also because I don't mind having uranium ETF if it drops to the price of $12 per share. So that is that. Well, with that quick update, oh, Ford's doing well. It had like a 1% pop today. Therefore, my put that I sold decreased in value, and that's good for me. Actually, you know what? This might be worth buying back. It's $10 now. I sold it at 18, so I can buy back for 10 and get an $8 gain. I'd receive my $900 back. Nah, I'll wait. Trust Ford. We'll see. Maybe it's a mistake. I'm really just worried about JD and hopefully it doesn't drop before below 24.5. That's the biggest concern for me right now. Everything else, I'm okay, but JD I don't know well, and I'm breaking my rules of trading companies that I don't know well. Keep doing that, which is kind of hurting me, and I know it. I made a lot of mistakes doing that before, and I should not continue to do it, but yet I still do for some odd reason. Hopefully this trade is profitable, and I will stop. I'll probably stop doing that, but I do need to buy some China because I'm a bull on China long term. So we'll see. I do need to add some Chinese equities in my portfolio. I might just buy this one though, FXI, instead of individual stocks like JD, which are happen to be under the guillotine at the moment. With that said, guys, I think that's enough update for now. I'm enjoying my pop. I'm looking forward to another one tomorrow, even though it's Reversal Tuesday. I'm still anticipating a little bit of a win. We'll figure out what happens when tomorrow comes. All right, guys, peace out.